Eh, traditional handshake mga idol, kamayan muna. All goods, first quarter. And ball possession goes back to the oop. Navarro number 12, setting up the play. Navarro locating the big man, Atienza of the referee. It's a jump ball situation. Jump ball ka agad. Eh, na bola. Yan, courtesy of Ion. Ang idol ng masa.
Ano na? Okay na, sir. Okay na, sir.
This guy number 10, Barona. Playing point guard. Barona to Koiko. Koiko's blast, 3 points. Navarro pass to Sugiyama. Bigay sa gilid. Martinez. 10 seconds to shoot. Martinez. Turn around. Oh, 2 points, Martinez. Barona to Castro. Cross court sa gitna kay Santos. Jump shot, 2 points, Santos. Sugiyama to Navarro. Martinez, 10 seconds to shoot. Martinez. In and out, rebound Santos. Here comes the big man of Hoops, South Hoops. Sarte to Koiko. What about it? Barona to the big man, Santos. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Chips up. Sarte to Koiko. Koiko, no, rebound. Steal the small guy. Hagawa ng Corbilieza. Martinez. Double team. Naitawid kay Navarro. Navarro to the big man. Big man to big man. Atienza. 2 points. Atienza. 5-4 sa ating opening score. Barona making his way. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh, swipe. Still good race. Sugiyama, sorry, miss. Back to South Hoop. Sarte to Barona. Barona bounce back to Santos. Santos. Drop pass to Sarte. Sarte na tabigan. Still successful mula sa Baum. Sugiyama to the big man. I foul. Duty foul by number 13, Castro. First personal foul, first team foul. Last throw. Two on the 2 mula kay big man Atienza. Kalabangan lumipat sa Baum. Nako, nakanakaw pa si Sugiyama doon. Sugiyama, too strong. Big man Santos, drop to Sarte. Short. Rebound. Atienza. Here comes the Baum. Belleza to Sugiyama, back to Belleza for 3. Off the mark. Wala babalik sa South Hoops. Labas kay Castro. Castro fires sa 3. Back to 3 points. Oh, jump shot. A foul. Mula kay jersey number 13. Number 13 Castro, second personal foul, second team foul. Napadalawa na si Boss. Free throws mula kay number 00, Martinez. Uy, umalog ang una. Oh, balasan ang palawa. Back to Santos, Barona. Barona di diskarte. Barona to Koiko. Koiko to Castro, nakaisa kanina. Pangalawang tira, malakas this time pero over the top, it's out of bounds. Martinez. To the Baro, to the big Malacheta. Active hands. Still success mula sa South Hoops. Barona, iniwan kay Koiko. Koiko, 2 points. Beleza. Looking for a play at the Baro. 10 seconds to shoot. Sugiyama. It's a safe hook to Robbery. 5 minutes substitution. 5 man. Sa ilalim, Pahirapan, Cirilo pass to number 4. Layup, walang napuntahan. Rebound Mr. Coleman. The big man Longo. Crossing over, nakagawan. Ito na steal mula sa South Coast. Balisa-lisa. 2 points. Retelik. Sa gitna, Londo, inabot ng foul kay number 7, Clifford. Coleman, labas sa gilid. Point to shoot, Coleman, 2 points. Balisa-lisa to Clifford. Clifford on the book, kicks it out. Number 4, Paulo. Oh, hard ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Clifford. Short. Rebound mula kay Recomendable. Hard play sa ilalim. Walang napuntahan. Bola uwi kay Paulo. Touchdown pass kay Balisa-lisa, bounce back naman kay Clifford. Conduct play mula sa South Hoops. Sa pass break play converted. Retelik, bigay kay Logno. Logno, balik kay Retelik. The pull-up J, 2 points readily. Down to 4, 40-10, under 2 minutes sa ating first quarter. Balisa-lisa, kakita si Clifford, libreng-libre yan. No good. Logno for the rebound. Here comes Logno. Logno, diniskarte, screen by Recomendable. Sa gilid, Kanyada, atake, sige, ito kay Redelik naman, jump shot, 2 points. Back-to-back score mula kay Redelik. Simple lang yun. Balisa-lisa. Ball faking, inside pass sa big man, si Rilo sobrang lang ang tira. Kanyada sa rebound, takbuhan na sa Mauma. Renelli. Renelli to the big guy. Recomendable to Longo. 10 seconds to shoot. Kanyata sa gitna with a short snap. Tabla tayo ngayon. All 14. Clifford, 15 to shoot. Alisa. Who's wrong? Rebound to Oman. A holding foul committed by number 23. Cirilo, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Bola na kay Mr. Coleman. Tolondo. Oh! This time, penalty na rin. Foul by number 4, Paulo. Warning number 4, Paulo for resentment for a call. Free throw lines na, susubok dito sa Faum. First strike, masuk bola kay Longo. Ang kalabangan lumipad na sa Baum. Balisan ni Samu na cross-court pass sa kabila, 86 Feliciano. Masyado matalas, babalik naman sa Baum. Longo. Pass to Anyada. Oh, still wala kay Clifford. Feliciano to Clifford. Clifford gets an and-one play. A foul committed by number 33, Coleman. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus wala kay Clifford. Yan, kompleto ang 3-point play. Changing flavor ulit tayo. 5 seconds remaining. Redlick. And of the first quarter, official score is 17-16. Isa ang abante dyan, South moves west. Second quarter. Navarro. Didiscard sa kanilang play. Navarro looking for a friend. Belleza, 15 to shoot. Back to the bottom. Sa ilalim, Nadomosin. Tulingan, labas ang Belleza for three. Too strong. Rebound. Back one ni Barona. Barona. Finding Castro. 3 points Castro. Dalawa na yun. Navarro answering back. Yes sir! 3 points! May pagsagot ang Paum.
Close tayo sa shooter.
Barona to the big man Santos. Castro on the wing side. 10 seconds to shoot. A perimeter shot. 2 points. Santos. So much space mula sa big man. Bola this time na kay Martinez na. Agent 00 Martinez using the screen. Clavaro, aatake, kicks it out of it.
Red, yung ano, lapit ka sa pasahan. Reaction natin, bilisan pa natin. Passing.
Ten seconds to shoot. Ooh. A foul committed by jersey number 00 Martinez. First personal foul, first team foul. Santos to Barona. Mid-range, no rebound. Sa Paum. Martinez. Swing. Jump shot. No rebound. Castro. Here comes the big man. Santos waiting for his teammates. Barona. 15 seconds to shoot. Short. Santos for the offensive board. Fall away shot. Wala. Sartek ready space. Masyado malalim. Oh, it's a carrying ball. Carrying ball. Automatic violation. Oh, Keiko. This wrong rebound. What chance? Nang ibabaw. The big man na Chensa. Ganda lateral na kay Koiko. Martinez back to the big man na Chensa. Chensa babangga sa tatlo. Chensa nakukuyo. Labas kay Martinez. Martinez, double team. Martinez. It's a traveling.
Harap. Oye, bangko na dito. Go. Harap tayo, harap.
Jump shot. Wala kay Santos. Rebound ni Martinez. Oy, ginawa. Nagawa ng rebound ng ibabaw. May foul. Number 91, Kaniada. His first personal foul, second team foul.
Time out ako.
Barona. 15 seconds to shoot. Sarte, Mintis. Bola na punta kay Koiko. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Timeout. Foul. Official score, tabla putangan. All 24. Under 5 minutes and 30 sa ating first half. Let's back to the ball game. Number 12 Navarro ang kukuha ng pasa. Ang magmamando na lang ng play. Unahin mo. Martinez with a set-up swing. Nabasa na kay Navarro. Nice swing. Navarro with a pump shot. Wala. Kanya dapat ni Buta Riman ang punta kay Bigman Santos. Takbuhan na naman sa South West. Castro stop and pop. No good. Martinez for the rebound. Martinez using the screen. Martinez finding Villesa. Rotation mula kay Navarro. Balik kay Villesa. Villesa kicks it out. Alright, change 5 minutes substitution. Masuk. Time out ako. Oh, another timeout mula sa ball. Let's back to the ball game. Number 4, Paulo. Reverse. Di ko para. Babalik ko. Cirilo. Seorang big bang. Sugiyama to Redelic. Redelic ako. Tinakala kaya na basa. Nakakuha tuloy ang sound. Paulo yung naman ni Redelic. Paulo. Natuloy miss. Bago Redelic to Sugiyama. Sugiyama fire in a hole. No. Elijano with a rebound. Oh, bounce pass, reverse, no. Ganda sequence, palitan ng mga mintis. Ito na ang taon. Aatake kick out pass, the jump shot of Redelic. Wala. Cirilo mo na ang rebound. Balisa-lisa. Bounce pass. Cirilo bumaga sa bader. Labas muna ang bola. To shoot, Paulo. Oh, next communication. Para Santos. Palitan ng mga error. First up pa lang tayo. Redelic bibigay kay Sugiyama. Sugiyama inside basket. The pass sa ilalim. Rebound. Makakuha naman ang gang. Santos Paulo with a miss again as a layup. Here comes Sugiyama. The jump shot. Pulls up. No. Another board mula kay Cirilo. Oh, nice pass. Easy 2 points. Clifford. Sugiyama. Pass sa weak side. Redelic. Redelic in trouble. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, still again. A fast break mula kay Balisa-Liza. 2 points, Baliza. Sugiyama. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Sugiyama. Nasukat na. Baliza. Bounce pass to Feliciano. Nakita si Clifford. Hesitation. Back to Baliza. 10 seconds to shoot. Clifford. 5 to shoot. Paulo. 3 more. Sa ilalim. Same ball. In and out. Sa ilalim. Put back. Wala para sa bigman. There's a foul by jersey number 8, Logno. His first personal foul. Timeout sa Wolves. Ayun, gamit na gamit ang ating mga timeout sa first half. 10-3-27 sa score. 44.4 seconds. Back to the ball game. Binondo, 3. Bola. Pupulong di Baliza. Redeling on the harass. Paulo. Back to Baliza. Baliza sharing the ball. Clifford. Nilapit ang bahagya. Clifford with the ball back. And si Dier. Wala di sa mga sa ball. Tatakot si Sugiyama. Sugiyama with the ball. May foul. Number 4. Cass. Paulo. Second personal foul. First team foul. Sugiyama. Another foul by jersey number 4. Again, Paulo, third personal foul, second team foul. Sugiyama, nice wing, step back. No! Rebound Cirilo. Feliciano to Clifford. 2 points, Clifford. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. A foul by number 86, Feliciano, first personal foul, third team foul. Meron tayo 3.7 sa ating oras. Last start, Red Lake. Sa end of the quarter, magbabaon pang buzzer beater. Official score natin is 35-13. 5 ang advantage dyan sa South Group West. Number 13, Castro. Back to Barona. Barona. 15 to shoot. Santos. 10 to shoot. Quico. Air ball. Rebound. Here comes Navarro. Navarro. No, big man. Tabi ka sa itaas. Agol sa ilalim. The big man. Atienza. Wala pa rin napuntahan. Sante has the ball this time. Barona. 15 seconds to shoot. Sarte. 10 seconds to shoot. Santos. 5 to shoot. Short. Iwan again mula kay Atienza. And one play. About to be by number 3. Number 12, Sarte, personal foul.
Tama ba? 11 4, no? Stop.
Down to 2. Wayside, nakawala si Koiko. Pinoy step, di gumana kay Atienza. Koiko sa ilalim, masyado maskip. 10 seconds to shoot. Crosscourt pass. Castro fires. Short. Rebound. Nakakuha na ang Liwat. Liwat, naharangan ng depensa. The jump shot. Liwat, hit. Won't drop in. Bola agawan. Sa ilalim, Navarro nakakuha. Navarro. To the wing side, Martinez. 3 points. Change play more. Bounce pass. Santos. To Koiko. Wala. Bola kay Cañada. Atienza. PP hit. 2 points, Atienza. Laki. The 8-0 blast mula sa Mauma. Galing silang 30. The Barona. Barona using the pick. 10 seconds to shoot. Barona, emergency pass. 5 seconds shot clock. Oh, there's a foul. Down by number 13, Liwat. First personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock 14. Kahanap ng unang punto sa third quarter ang South Hoops. Ayun, Santos, 2 points in 7 minutes substitution. Gumalaw ang score mula sa South Hoops. Ayan, 4 minutes ang balik. Any player na, 4 minutes. Babalik number 16, Belieza. Belieza pass to Sugiyama. Shot clock 15. Red link back to Sugiyama. Nakita si Belieza. Kick ball, reset shot clock at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Inbound. Boston. A foul by number 7, Clifford. His second personal foul, second team foul. Oh, niluwa ang una mula kay Longno. A 1 out of 2 mula sa big man. 39-37, dalawa. Abadi dyan ang Pakboom. 6 minutes and 35 in the third. Let's go. Ooh, tipsy 2 mula kay Clifford. Sheesh. Tapos tayo ang Dela 39. Sugiyama controlling the ball. Sugiyama sa kita bigay kay Longo. Longo. Roldo with a fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound. Tabi ka sa itaas. Makukuha ng itim. Balisa-lisa. Finding Clifford. Clifford with a double team. Spinning. Clifford hands in the air. Back-to-back score. Wala kay Clifford. Sugiyama on the other side. Nagmamadali. Sugiyama. The Pinoy slicing step. Di gamana pero with a putback. Converted mula kay Atienza. Paolo waiting for his teammates. 15 to shoot. Paolo using the screen of Cirillo. Paolo eyes on Redling. Gets on! And a play! A foul committed by jersey number 6, Redling. Redling first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus by Paolo. Ooh, short. Sugiyama. Quick shot. Oh, 3 points, Sugiyama. Changing flavor ulit. Palitan na ng lamang. Paolo to Balisa-Lisa. 15 seconds to shoot. Another setup screen. Oh, miscommunication. Wala. Sugiyama once again. Sugiyama to Belleza. Bounce pa sa ilalim sa big man. Oh, 2 points. May kumikable. Double team, Paolo. Nice cut sa ilalim. Feliciano, 2 points. Still nice position, wala kay Feliciano doon. Sugiyama with a crossover. Iwan-tatlo. This time may foul. A foul committed by jersey number 4. Paolo warning. 4th personal foul. Ako, 4 na si Idol. Clifford. 15 seconds to shoot. Balisa-Lisa to Feliciano. 10 seconds shot clock. A foul committed by number 16. Number 16, Belleza. First personal foul, 3rd team foul. Shot clock 14, received by Paolo. Paolo finds a 3. Yes, sir! 3. Tabla na naman tayo. All 48. Kantang laga. Sugiyama with a step na naman. Kicks it out to Redling. Redling naman na susubok. Airball. Takbo na kay Clifford. Clifford. Bebuelo. Clifford. Naharangan. Losing control. Still mula sa baong. Neto na si Sugiyama. No good. Cirillo for the rebound. There comes Paolo. Paolo. Pumping. No rebound. Let the lead. Longo. Another whistle. Number 8 this time. Balisa-Lisa. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Sabrep. Pasok. Nabigay na. Inbound, received by Sugiyama sa gilid. Sugiyama. 10 seconds to shoot. Sugiyama. Oh! 3! Kakaibang tira yun mula sa Sugiyama. Di na tumalon. Swish me. 51-48. Lamang naman dyan. 3 paum. Balik-Salisa. Guarded by Sugiyama. 15 on the shot. Last screen by Santos. Balik-Salisa. Perimeter. Foul, couldn't get the ball. Santos for the offensive board. Santos. May foul na this time. Substitution. Foul by number 16. Beliza. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Wala. Wala kang pakita sa ano ha. Maganda yung diferensya.
Shot clock 14.
Hey, cutter.
Barona receiving the pass.
Cutter.
10 seconds to shoot. Santos. Malakas. Rebound mula sa Baum. Oh, across. Sugiyama couldn't control. Bola tabikan na kukuha ng big man. Na chance up to Sugiyama. 10 seconds to shoot. Sugiyama. Oh, he's feeling it. Maglalang init ang tabay this quarter. Santos. Another whistle. Oh, and the play. Last ball by big man number 41. Chensa. Personal foul. Continuation ang nangyayari. Continuation. The bonus papunta ba kay Santos? Kompleto 3-point play mula kay Santos. Baba sa tatlo. 54-51. May nag-iinit na ang kamay. Oh, a foul. Sir Tricoico. First personal foul penalty. Oh, ito na. Free throw shooting na tayo. Two free throws mula kay number 5. Sugiyama. Ang nag-iinit na kamay. Bola kukunin ni Barona. A minute and 7 seconds to go.
Ayan o. Maluwag, ilalim. Shooter.
Barona. Pass to Santos. Santos. To Feliciano. Taking. Making. Wala kay Feliciano. Sugiyama to Martinez. Siya naman ang babasa sa ilalim. Nice one play kay Longno. Naipit nga lang. Labas kay Kendrick. 10 seconds to shoot. Martinez. 3 points. Nagkanda hawa-hawa na mula sa Baum. Keyboard na atake. Still clean mula kay Martinez. Martinez bounce pass sa ilalim. Reverse pass. Sukat pa. Bola. Sugiyama saving the ball. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 2 points local. 5 seconds remaining. Sugiyama at the buzzer. It's an end of the third. Biglang nagkaroon pa ng final finish push ang Baum doon. 63-53-10 ang abante ng Baum.
Wala naman play. Kailangan natin yung
Let's back to the ball game. Alright, last one, let's go. Fourth quarter. Navarro. To Martinez. 15 seconds shot clock. Martinez. 10 seconds to shoot. Too strong. Rebound out of bounds. Paulo with a foul trouble. Paulo using the screen of Santos. Pick and roll. Ooh. Inabot. Foul by number 91, Cañada. Second personal foul, first team foul. Of shooting, free throws ang kukunin dito ni Santos. Bola balik sa bawang this time, number 12, Navarro, magbababa ang bola. Navarro. Didiskarte. Pass to Martinez. Martinez nakawala ng konti. Kick ball. Kick ball. Navarro to Liwat. Turnaround shot. Liwat, 2 points. Seconds to shoot. Castro, cross court to the big man, Santos. No. Rebound Martinez. Navarro. Sharing the ball to Martinez sa ilalim. Big man, labas ulit sa labas kay Navarro. 10 seconds to shoot, Martinez. No. Clifford for the rebound. Clifford on the cross. Not the back, Santos. Foul. Foul by number 41. Substitution. Sub-rep. Second personal foul. Wala ka Atienza. Second team foul. Dalawa. Last throw mula kay Santos. Two out of two mula sa big man ng South Hoops. Baliktaran ang score na 65-56. 8 minutes and 18. Matagal-tagal pa to. Navarro na naman ang magsaset up. Pass to Martinez. Martinez, 15 seconds to shoot. Zigzagging. Martinez. seconds to shoot. Success still left out hoops. Here comes Koiko. Bordering gala. A chance for the rebound. Liwat. Liwat. For a shot. No rebound. Still Liwat. Short. Out of bounds. Time out. South Hoops West. It's back to the ball game.
Dali, dito ka kumuha.
Rebound. Tatagabi ni Koiko. 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 Pass to Paolo. Paolo. Escapes. Paolo. Natabi sa likod. Paolo. Gets the hoop. Nakalusot si Paolo doon. Navarro. 15 seconds to shoot. Liwat. Liwat. 10-second shot clock. Jump shot. Liwat. On its own. Clifford. To Koiko. He fires a three. Yes, sir. 3 points. Down to 6. 67-61. Navarro. 15 seconds to shoot. Martinez. Popote at mismatch. Perimeter. 2 points. Martinez. Mismatch. Height advantage. Paolo against Cañada. Nakita si Feliciano. Koiko. To Santos. Santos. Malakas. Rebound na kuha ni Navarro. Tatakbo na Maong. Navarro iniwan kay Liwat. Liwat. 2 points. Timeout. South Hoops West. Biglang akyat sa double digit. 71-61 under 6 minutes and 11 seconds in the fourth quarter. Timeout remaining. South Hoops isa na lang ang timeout. Tatlo pa sa Paong. Put ang unahin mo. Back to the ball game. An inbounder. Full court inbound. Bola bibigay kay number 10, Barona. Siya naman ang magpamando rito. Barona guarded by Navarro. Pass to Santos. Santos sa gitna, Filiado na kay Feliciano. Feliciano! Fishing foul. Ang foul committed by jersey number 00, Martinez. His second personal foul, 13 foul. Free throws by Feliciano. Oh, malakas ang pangalawa. 1 out of 2 sa free throw. Sugiyama ang nagbabalik. Sugiyama. This time, Koiko ang magbabantay. Sugiyama, pass to Martinez. Ito na naman ang post-up play. Active hands. Ohoy, may foul na nakita si Rep. Number 10, matatawagan dyan, Barona. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound. Pass received by Martinez. Same play sila dito. Martinez. Kaliwat, another jump shot, walang napuntahan. Tatingan ng bola, walang kumuha. Still Taong, Martinez, tinira kagad, titin pa rin. This time, backward di Barona. Sakto-sakto kay Koiko, walang situation. Koiko with the 26. No second chance opportunity. Feliciano, sinigurado na this time. Sugiyama. Crossing over, using the screen. Sugiyama. Not this time, but Liwat with the putback at the right place at the right time. Delivered to Barona. 15 seconds to shoot. Santos, 1-3. Short. The battle for the board. Sugiyama on the move. Pass to the big man Atienza. Nice pass to Liwat. Naku, napakante. Walang ka-defensa doon. Balik sa 11. Double digit ulit. 75-64. Malayo-layo pa yan. 4 minutes. Barona. Clifford. Sa ilalim. Feliciano. Wala. Rebound. Tapika. Nakuha. Nino. Sugiyama. Nakita si Liwat. Tumatakbo. Liwat. Couldn't make it. Substitution. Number 10, Barona. Pointing out the play. Barona to the big man, Cirilo. 15 to shoot. Back to Barona. 10-second shot clock. Pick and roll. Natasan ni Martinez. Still alone nila sa baon. Sugiyama to Martinez. So much space. Redlich fires away. And 3 boards. Barona to big man. Oh, and one play. Santos. Substitution last time by number 41. At the end, third personal ball warning for penalty. Bonus mula kay Santos. Yan, kompletong 3-point play mula kay Santos. Babala naman sa 11. 78-67. Malayo-layo pa yan. 3 minutes and 22. Let's go! Martinez. Oh, nice spot! Still like Goico. Here comes Clifford with a swing. Clifford with a attack. Short down. Bola. Balik sa bawang kay Sugiyama. Sugiyama. Pass to Martinez. Back to Sugiyama. Shot clock 15. Sugiyama. 10 to shoot. Big man. Short. Rebound. Good. Clifford. All the way.
Time out.
Time out. Foul. Down to single digit again. 78-69. 2 minutes and 40. Medyo malayo pa, pero malapit na. Time out remaining. South Hoops, isang time out na lang. Ito, may dalawa pa. Let's back to the ball game. Wala. Ang depensa naka-ready na. Martinez ang kukuha ng pasa. Koiko nangungulit. Sugiyama. 15 seconds to shoot. Sugiyama. Switching move. Big man, a chance off the glass. Paulo. Santos. 10 to shoot. Rebound. Chenza. Here comes Sugiyama. Chenza gets an end on play. Foul by 03. Koiko. Second personal foul, second team foul. May bonus pa kabarating. Substitution. Clifford. No good. Rebound by Chenza. Sugiyama. 3 points. Two points, Cirillo. Sugiyama. 15 seconds to shoot. 10-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Two points. Leon. Oh! And one play, Feliciano. Foul by number 6. Relics. Second personal foul penalty. The bonus. Completo kay Feliciano. Oh! 17-second shot clock, 17 to shoot. Sugiyama. 10-second shot clock. Oh, nice pass. 2 points. Agenda from Sugiyama. 2 points, Clifford. Second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Again with a fast score, 89-79, makakuha ng paum ang kanilang panalo rito. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa PBCL Banyake Ball Club League.